Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to back up the data of your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone to Google Drive. First, we have to open Settings application on the smartphone, then scroll down to the System menu. In System menu, expand Advanced List of Settings, then go to Backup. Here, enable backup for photos and videos and other device data. As you can see, to enable backup for photos and videos, we're gonna have to update the Photos application, and we can easily do that by tapping right here, and we'll be redirected to Google Photos. Tap Update here and wait until this application is updated, in case you've encountered such an issue too. It's gonna take a couple of seconds, but basically it's gonna take as long as your phone requires to download the application, then a couple more seconds for it to install it. Okay, let's just wait for a while, and once the app is updated, let's go back and let's enable backup for photos too. To do that, switch the toggle to the right next to backup, then tap let's go. Okay, so now the backup is active, and to begin the backup, tap backup now. Now, of course, if you don't see anything here, you'll probably see something like sign into your Google account, and in such case, you're gonna have to stop sign into your Google account, and then enter your Google account's data like email address and password. And so yeah, and after that, just to go through all the rest of the steps, and then we'll just have to wait until the backup is finished. And after a couple of minutes, the backup will be finished, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.